Hey yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Obviously you can see we have a little bit of different setup right now. We have a desk right here and we have the setup behind me. I figured might as well show it in the videos more often because that's what it's there for. Welcome back to another video. We are about to hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is crazy. We started a year ago making content starting with just microphones, and now we make all sorts of tech reviews and unboxing videos. So thank you all who subscribed, who watched the videos on the last year. I truly appreciate it. Yes, 1,000 might not seem like a lot of progress to a lot of people, but to me, it's plenty. It's more than I expected, to be honest. I just started doing it as fun, as something that I enjoyed doing. So the fact that it took off and we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers is amazing. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you around the channel more often. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, we're gonna be improving the lighting in our setup. As you guys know, for the last year, I've been using these smart RGB lights that I bought off of Amazon. I've reviewed them and they were super cheap. But I've always thought they were a little bit jinxy and they look really weird in my setup. Today we're going to be checking out the smart RGB floodlights from Olafus. These floodlights are 50 watts each, so they should light up this space really well. I'm hoping to put one back there in the corner and one on this side, so we have background lights from each direction of the shot. So without further ado, let's take a look at these. These are Wi-Fi enabled, so I'm hoping I can integrate them with Google as well. Off of the listing online, it said it should work with Alexa, which usually means it works with Google as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this box. Let's open it up, see what's in it, and set it up and see how it looks in the new setup. Let's go. All right, so first of all, it has lifetime warranty, which is really nice. Smart light right there. You can see it works with Google out of the box, which is really good. I love that. Let's see what we get in the box. All right, packing. All right, so that's it. There's no remote, nothing. This is just, since they're smart lights, you don't need a remote or anything. And you can see that this is what they look like. They're pretty thin, to be honest. I thought they're gonna be a little bit thicker, which I'm really happy about because I don't need them to be thin, which I don't need them to be thick. Sorry about that. They look like you can mount them. So on the back, you can see there's mounting holes right here, which is really nice. It says IP66 and 50 watts right here. Multiple lighting. You can see already the RGB inside, so which means we can project multiple colors, which is really nice. So the smart integration goes through the app Smartlife. So there's a QR code right here that you can just scan and download the app to set up these lights. But out of the box, it's simple. It looks really nice and easy to set up. So let's go ahead and set them up and put them and see how they look. Before we set them up in the setup, I'm gonna go plug one in and we're gonna check out the lighting situation. It looks like the cable length is like 3 feet long. So maybe that is one thing that could have been better. All right, that's so bright, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm getting blinded. So as you guys can see, these are really, really, really bright. I'm about to download the Smartlife app. We're downloading it right now. So the app is downloaded. Let's go check it out and see how easy the setup is. Let's sign up real quick. I don't have an account yet. So let's go add a device. So we're gonna go to lighting, and then we'll do a light source, and then reset the device, power on the device, turn off. And one thing that I wish they had is an on and off button. There's no switch on this thing. So let's just do this. All right, so I had to unplug it 3 times for it to be able to start lighting. So now that the light is blinking and blinding me, I'm gonna turn it down. And then you gotta give it the password for this, for the Wi-Fi. And it's adding the device right now to my list. So wait on that and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see now the floodlight is added. So let's go ahead and see if this works. So now we have it on. Well, I turned it off, so it's working properly. It is dimmable, so apparently the lighting was not all the way on. This is all the way on. Oh my gosh, it's brighting. brighting. You can change the color temperature, which is nice. Then you can choose from different RGB. So this is actually pretty cool. This is the thing I was interested in, because you can choose different modes and change the lighting temperature and the lighting brightness, which is really nice. So you can change the dimmability of the light at any color, and as well as, oh, it also has music capability. So if I'm talking right now, it's doing this. It uses the phone microphone to turn lights on, which is very interesting. As you can see that there's scenes as well, so you can edit scenes as well and add yourself scenes if you need it. There's also capability to scheduling and how much time left on the schedule, which is pretty nice, to be honest. So overall, it's pretty darn nice, man. I gotta give it that. It's really nice and I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put both lights in the spots, and we're gonna check them out and see how they make the setup better. I'm gonna get rid of my RGB lights that are just bulbs right there, and we're gonna use only the floodlights and see if they make it any better. Let's go. As you guys can see, I just installed the lights. I took the light bulb out and I put one right here in the corner. It's projecting off of both walls, so that's pretty good. It's giving us a lot of lights right here. And then the other one is right there. This is not the greatest spot for it, but it's out of the shot of the videos, and I might just mount it. I might figure out some other solution for it to be better than this, but overall it actually looks really nice. I'll show you the shot on the other camera, and you can check it out yourself. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the result at the end. You can see there's one blue light right there that's projecting, and then you can see the other purple one right there. Overall, they look really good. They are very, very bright. They are brighter in the white light edition than other RGB colors, which I expected, to be honest. But overall, they're really nice. And the best part about them is that they're smart. You can control them via Google and just say, hey Google, lights on, lights off, whatever you want them to do. You can do that through Google, which is really nice. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link down below in the description. You can check it out if you want. If you have any questions about these lights, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. If not, I'll actually contact the people at Olafus and ask them any questions you have. But yeah, without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.